3D printing is the action or process of making a physical object from a three-dimensional digital mode. This is typically done by laying down many thin layers of a material at once. There are 4 main steps in 3D printing, and they are concept, design, slicing, and printing. The first step is concept. A concept is an abstract idea or general notion. One website that I used was thingiverse.com, and this helped me get an idea of what I wanted to print and the size I wanted it to be. The second step is design. I used Tinkercad, which is a computer-assisted design software that is free for anyone to use. All of the shapes used in Tinkercad are basic polygons, and you can change the number of sides and dimensions. Since this is just a demo flower pot, I chose to have 7 sides and about 3 inches tall. Once you have the shape and size you want, you can duplicate the shape and make a hole to put inside your flower pot. Now you do have to make the hole smaller than your flower pot so it fits correctly. Once you create the hole, you can align the 2 shapes together, then group them into one. Because this is a flower pot, I wanted to add a hole at the bottom for water to drain out of. To do that, I added a cylinder and then grouped them together. To make the plate for underneath the pot, you have to again duplicate the pot, then make it shorter but wide enough so the pot will fit inside of the plate. After the plate is made, you can now group and align them to fit together. The third step is slicing, and for this I use a software called Digilab, which is a computer software used in the majority of 3D printing processes for the conversion of a 3D object model to specific instruments for the printer. For this step, you have to do it piece by piece. Once it is uploaded, you can export it onto a flash drive and you're ready to print. The final step is printing, which I think is the most exciting because you get to see your design come to life. Printing is when the machine starts creating the object you made. I thought it would be interesting to create a time-lapse video of the printing process. This demo flower pot took about 1 hour and 10 minutes to print, while the plate for this flower pot took about 50 minutes. If you or someone you know would like to 3D print something, I highly encourage you to visit the Think Lab. You can pretty much print whatever you want, and there's no cost to students, and the people working there in the Think Lab were very helpful. The Think Lab is located on the library on the 2nd floor. So this is what you all have been watching me make in this video, and I called this a demo because I also made a bigger flower pot. The real flower pot took about 8 hours to print.